baby? Are you freaking kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me, baby? Yeah! Fell crossing the river, but I made it up. Just covered about 500 yards up the mountain to where I want to get to. I had birds in here last year, and they were going crazy when I was up here about a year ago. But I don't know how consistent they're up here, so I'm gonna settle down and hope we have a few up here. And 2 deer. I'm standing here and I'm hearing a gobbler down in this pool. I think he's on the public in this pool. I've gone like 2 miles today. I haven't heard anything. So I'm gonna cut some distance. Follow where these deer went. Get down in there. He's really close. He's right on this ridge. I think I can drop down to him. I have to be careful because it's open timber. A lot of rocks, steep. But I think he's down on this thing. I'm getting close. I tried to strike a gobbler this morning a few times. Didn't hear anything. Worked my way all the way up the point here to the top of the mountain. Took me about 2 hours. And got to the top, thought I heard a faint gobble. Couldn't tell where it was coming from, so I just kind of headed off. Kind of deer scouting, honestly. Looking for deer. Jumped those deer and a grouse, and I heard that gobbling. I'm getting closer right now. Getting a lot closer. He's right below me somewhere. He's right down there. I'm gonna try to cut down in there. He's not far. We can get this bird. I thought he might be on that other ridge, but he's closer than that. He's right in that saddle. Just checking out on X. I think I pinpoint him on that saddle, which is ideal. I'm gonna slip down this edge, try to pop over, see if he's there. But he's gobbling his head off and he's right below me.
Baby, are you freaking kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me, baby? Are you kidding me? We're just killing mountain turkey. Oh man, it's a Jake, but I just took so long to get in here on these birds. Oh, yes! Are you kidding me? Yes! Yes! Look at this baby. A little bearded, but dude, up in these mountains, I've been trying to kill turkey for freaking ever, man. Yes! That was so excited. He popped his head up at 10 yards. I had to shoot him. Yes. Whew. I can't believe that. That was fun. That was so fun. Oh, I wanted to wait for that gobbler, but man, he came in just so awesome. Like so perfect. That was insane. What? When an opportunity presents itself up here, you take it. I'm so far in. It was incredible. We just killed a mountain turkey. Yeah. Oh man. That was so fun. He's still down there. Alright, I'm gonna pack it up and get out of here before we mess that up with a bigger guy. I'm so pumped to get a bird up in these mountains. I have a long hike to get back. But yeah. Alright, just taking a break. We've come a mile. We're about 600 yards from the truck. It's hard going up here, but like I said before, I'm super grateful for this bird. And I mean, we covered so many miles. We covered like 3 miles trying to get to him, and to have him come up on like that, they're both gobbling. It was incredible. So, funnest hunt I've had. Totally happy with this bird up here. Yeah, I waited a long time to get an opportunity like that, so that was super fun. We're gonna head back down, hopefully get on a bird in the next few days, and then I want to hit Vermont. So, yeah, that was pretty freaking fun up here, and I got that checked off for this year as a mountain bird, and that was really a big goal of mine. So there's still a few more birds up there to breed, and hopefully we get some more birds in here next year. But yeah, beautiful mountain, beautiful place. Love these mountains. So see you guys back in the farm country. It's gonna be hard to cross, and it's gonna be so cold. Oh, it's cold. It's so cold. Yeah, I just did it. What a morning. Thank you, Lord. All right, I'm gonna dress this bird out and then we're getting on the road. I gotta head back, about an hour drive. Really fun hunt though. I struck those birds. I heard those birds gobbling way up. I was to the point where I was deer scouting at that point, looking around. Wasn't seeing anything. Saw a doe off at the corner, so I was watching her, and then I heard a faint gobble. So I started covering some ground and got closer and closer and closer. I could tell he was in that saddle. So I dropped off the point down around, made a hook in, and The first setup ended up being a little too far. There was a hill in front of me. It sounded pretty far. It sounded like it was getting farther. And I think they actually worked down a little bit into the drain from the saddle by the time I got there. So I jumped up on that point and called him up, and we went back and forth for a long time, probably half an hour, 45 minutes. Finally heard a gobble off to my right, and there he was, popped down. Perfect, right in the draw, just like I wanted him. Jumped right up to me. And I really wanted to hold out for that longer, but he would have busted me, popped up 10 yards, so I decided to take him. Mountain bird, came in gobbling, perfect setup. Favorite turkey hunt to date so far, so super happy with it. Finally got a bird in the Adirondacks. Now we have one more tag, and then we got Vermont. So hope for the best and try to get down there, and hopefully we can get another few birds on the ground. Oh, I'm so happy, man. All right, let's get back.